You ever walk into a building and the floor tells a story? Scuffed corners, dull shine, footprints of time pressed into every tile. That's where we come in. At S.N.M Cleaning Service, we don't just clean floors, we restore them. Strip it down, layer by layer, removing the data, the wear, the years. Then we wax it, smooth, even flawless. A fresh finish that reflects more than light. It reflects your business. Because first impressions, they start from the ground up. Offices, schools, medical facilities, restaurants, warehouses, wherever people walk, we make it shine.
Which one? Oh, no.
This isn't just a service.
Much.
It's craftsmanship, precision, consistency, excellence. You can see every single step. So when your VCT floors lose their glow, don't replace them, restore them.
S.N.M Cleaning Service.
Strip, wax, shine.
And bring your floors back to life.